Greetings to another video. Today is going to be a what I eat in a day video. More specifically, what I eat in the day while I'm on the bike doing a pretty long bike ride. We set off around 2 in the morning, so we didn't actually eat before we set off. But I did carry a lot of snacks and we stopped off along the way, so I'm going to be sharing those with you as well. Also, when you're doing long rides like this, a lot of it is about just getting the calories in. I've probably burned around 8,000 calories, I guess, on this ride, probably between 6,000 and 8,000 calories. This is the actual ride that we did, so it was 331k, 17 hours, 15 minutes moving time, and 3,600 metres climbing. We rode from Shrewsbury all the way down to Dartmoor, and as you can see, it was pretty hilly along the way, so again, with these long rides, you just have to get the fuel in. So the first thing that I do on these long rides is I have water and sugar in one of my water bottles. So I'll probably add maybe a couple of 100 grams of sugar in my water bottle, shake some water in there, and you've just got basically a carbohydrate drink. And what I'll do is I'll just kind of keep topping that up with water throughout the day. So at the start, it is very concentrated, and as the day goes on, it kind of like weakens down. But I just think it's a great way of getting in, just sipping calories, just so that you're consistently getting enough fuel for a really long bike ride. Some of the snacks that I take while riding, so I've got 3 or 4 Kendal mint cakes there. I've also got 3 bags of these like Aldi sweets. And there's a bag of dates there. I actually only probably ate 2 of the dates though. I brought a load of them home. And then this was the first stop. We've got 6 bagels, a smoothie, and some salad. I try and eat kind of a more regular meal, I guess. I am wheat intolerant, and the only time that I will have wheat is on long rides. I just feel like it digests better when I'm actually riding. Second stop, another 6 bagels, orange juice, and some salad. So the bagels, what I'll do is probably have 2 or 3 at the stop and then kind of snack on them as I'm riding. Another snack, Cliff Bar. Peanut one is the best one. Another snack, which is a couple more of those sweets. So we were kind of sharing the sweets around, and Richard had a few left when I'd run out. And he just offered me one. Honestly, they are, I'm there saying, oh my God, these sweets are so good. Very, very good. And then the last stop, which was around 300k, was just like a vegan wrap, a smoothie, and some crisps.
God, he got chips.
And you can tell how depleted in calories I am just from the fact that I was eyeing up that guy's chips. And a lot of the calories that you burn on these types of rides, you kind of make up the days after. So the day after this, we had porridge for breakfast, then we had a second breakfast of rice. And you just kind of just refuel it that way. So what I would say if you are wanting to just get some ideas for your rides is, I guess it's just take what you actually like eating. So for me, it's just really simple stuff, such as like bagels or smoothies or just simple sweets. For me, I wouldn't want anything really heavy or greasy or fatty, because that can just clog your legs up, make them feel really heavy. So I'll just go as simple as I possibly can. But yeah, the carbohydrate drink with water and sugar, that is honestly one of the best things I think you can do. Also, I would recommend taking electrolytes as well. I had probably 6 or 7 different electrolytes throughout the day. I mean, the same one, but just, in different bottles, kept topping up, just to keep the electrolytes up. So yeah, I hope you found that video helpful. And yeah, I will see you next video.